what if then this time around you would want to add a column or even a row? This is a very interesting thing that I would want to demonstrate. So then here we have our usual table like that. So assuming in this case here I would want to add like a row or a column before C. What I'll do, I'll come here before C and highlight this entire column C. So how do I highlight a column? It's very easy. Show this arrow up there and then you click. Show this arrow up there, then you click like that. So to be able to add means, of course, plus. So if you look at your equals tab, if you look at your equals, yes, you'll be able to see on top of it, we have got a plus, a plus. So a plus. Then how do I add this extra column? It's very easy because in this case here, this plus is together with equals. It's on top of equals. Then I'll have to say in this case here, Control Shift, and then I say plus. So you can see I've added a new column. If I want to add a new row, the same case. If I want to add a new row before 5, so what I'll do, I'll come and highlight this 5. Then I'll be able to say Control Shift plus. So you can see in this case here, they have a new row there. So thank you very much. Should you want advanced Excel classes, please raise a comment below and ensure that you follow us on TikTok. Thank you so much.